Hi everyone. So today we're going to draw a sunflower on a stem with some leaves. So first we're going to start out with the center of the sunflower. So we're just going to make a circle, best of a circle as you can. And then we're going to go ahead and have the petals come out. So we're going to draw a bunch of petals around the sunflower, around the center. So we're just going to have them kind of like not overlapping, but kind of coming off of the first one that I drew. So just like that, and then we'll just come around like this. So go out, and then just come around like that. Just go all the way around like that. Make a little point at the end. And that one came a little, just like that. We'll erase that one. Just do a couple more here. And this last one, we'll just have it come out and just attach to the first one we drew, and that one. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and draw the stem. So I'm just gonna have a long stem just coming down to just like that. And then we'll go ahead and draw a few leaves coming off. So a little tiny stem, and then sunflower leaves coming off, and then draw the little veins on the leaf. Draw another one on the other side. The sunflowers, they generally have, a few leaves on the stems. So we're going to draw just another one down here. Okay, and then for the center of the sunflower, I'm gonna draw a little pattern because usually that's where the sunflower seeds are. So we're just gonna draw like a little pattern just like this, going all around the inside of that circle. It kind of looks like seeds. We're going to do this pattern all throughout the circle. All right, and then we'll move it over. We'll start in like the middle of one of those little humps, and then just go all the way around again. And they don't have to be like all the same shape. Because in real life, all sunflower seeds are not the same shape. Everything is different. So, and then we're just gonna, keep doing that pattern. And it's getting smaller space here. Let's put a few in there, just like that. Okay, and next we're gonna go ahead and outline our sunflower. So So we got our black marker, and I'll just go ahead and start here in the circle. And then I'll go ahead and do the petals. Our last one. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and do so this little pattern on the inside is going to be hard to outline it with the black marker, but we're just going to do the best we can. Just use like the very tip of the marker and outline all those little seeds that are in there. It might be easier if you have like a thinner black marker to do that, but if you use the very tip of your black marker, it's not impossible. Get smaller in the center to be a little more careful. All right, there we go. And then we'll go ahead and do our stem. And then our leaves coming off. And our last one. Okay. So next we're going to go ahead and erase all those pencil lines. All right, and brush that all the eraser pieces off. All right, and then we'll go ahead and color. So I chose this kind of like a tan yellow color for the petals on the sunflower. halfway there. Almost halfway there. And get all those leaves colored in. Not leaves, petals. Get all those petals colored in. And our last one. Okay. All right, so next we'll color in the center of our sunflower. So I chose a brown. I mean, sunflowers seeds are generally like a black brown kind of color, but I'm just going to use this brown because I already have the black there for the outline of the seeds. So we're going to go ahead and color that in with this brown. Okay. And then our stem and leaves, I chose this green. Be very careful with that stem. It's very skinny. So we'll make sure we, we're staying within the lines there. All right. Our last one. All right, and that's how you draw a sunflower. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to see more. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.